Now, if you guys have been watching the series, you'll know that I'm trying to rescue this BMW after it was flooded and sat in a salvage yard for over 8 years. In the last episode, we installed the DME and a lot of other crucial components that were missing, but still couldn't get it to start. So in this video, we're gonna fire this baby up and see if she'll make it down the road.
So, like, no pressure.
I feel like that means it's the fuel pump module, not giving it the pressure. Technically, if I activate these and that module is working, they should kick on. And I hear nothing. But if we go into engine, control.
It sounds like it's not pushing any fuel.
I know.
I think we should put some in it.
Now, we already put 1.5 gallons of gas in the last episode, and that didn't do anything. So before running to get more gas, we wanted to pull the pump out and see what we could find.
Alright, now hopefully this thing just cracks loose and we're gonna have a good time.
Oh, money, dude. It's that 11,000 miles coming in clutch for once.
No kidding. Also, one thing I just noticed, nothing came out of either of these ports.
So that means fuel wasn't even up in there, huh?
Yeah, because I mean, usually you think you'd have at least a little bit of residual.
Since you got your degree and you know every fucking thing.
Like, it looks fine. There's definitely not much gas in there.
Looks like a fuel pump and a gas tank.
Yeah. We verified the pump does work, but it did sound like it was just pushing air, so maybe it's just too low.
Should we go get some gas?
Probably should. Wouldn't that be something we'd dick around with this for all this time and the thing was just low on fuel?
I'm not holding any hope, but
Me either.
it's definitely the easiest thing to do.
Ready?
Yep. I think you're good now. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
Oh shit.
How funny would it be if this does it?
Dude, part of me thinks it's just such a stupid thing that we overlooked that it's gonna work.
You think?
I hope.
I mean, if it does, I'm gonna be thrilled.
Dude. I'm gonna do some burnouts.
Okay.
Operation Add Fuel is complete.
Yeah.
Just gonna try it right off the bat with nothing hooked up.
Should I?
Sure.
I mean, I guess we could hook this up. You know what? We'll just try it.
Sure.
No way, dude! I mean, it ran. Holy crap, dude! No way. Smells terrible again.
Try it again, see what happens.
You think?
Yeah.
We should swap the oil out on this.
Yeah, we should actually.
We should do that.
Yeah, I agree.
It smells bad.
100%. Let's swap the oil out. Dude, it freaking ran, dude.
I was not expecting that.
Dude.
I was not expecting that.
What the hell? Like, literally just needed gas this whole time.
It was like, when it gave that first pop,
I know.
I was like,
no way.
my god. And then it died down, I was like, no. And it was like, boom, 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 out of nowhere. It wasn't happy though. There was like it was in limp mode.
Probably because, well, I mean, we still don't have O2 sensors because there's no downpipes on it.
Yeah. Let's go get oil. Let's put those downpipes in.
Maybe take it for a ride?
Yeah.
Dude.
Yeah. All right, so we had a whole list of things that you guys commented. You guys killed it with the comments, giving us a bunch of ideas. First thing on that list was add gas, so that did it. We no longer have to do any of this other stuff. I cannot believe it.
It ain't got no gas in it.
Carl, see if you can figure out what's wrong with this thing. It won't crank up and everything seems to be put together, right?
It ain't got no gas in it.
You see there, Scooter? Thinks of the simplest things first.
There's like 2 people that commented it too. They're like, before you do anything, you should probably just try to add gas.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, I thought 1 gallon would be enough.
Well, so
Because it read it on the dash.
Yeah, because I mean, who would have thought that it would have been that empty to begin with?
Clearly not us. Although you kind of said, once you left after the last video,
Right.
All right, let's get that oil.
Yep, oil change. So also one thing I was just remembering is it is pretty common practice for junkyards to drain the fuel. Well, usually a lot of junkyards will just pull the tank, or they just drill a hole in the fuel tank. So I guess, did we even look to see if this thing was leaking on the floor?
Probably should. Now I'm worried. Now you got me fucking worried. Damn it. Should we turn around?
It's your floor, man, not mine.
Well, I'd more be worried about 6 gallons of gas being in my garage when we get back home. The house ended up being fine. There was no gas anywhere in the garage. So here we are at Walmart grabbing some of the world's finest automobile oil. Let's do another $50 comment giveaway. I'm gonna go ahead and pick one random comment on this video, and PayPal, Venmo, Zelle, Cash App, I'm gonna send a random person 50 bucks. So drop a comment right now. All right, let's see how she does.
First fire up with oil, fresh oil in it. Downpipes are on. O2s are plugged in.
We didn't forget anything?
Oh, what's to forget? It's got gas this time. I'm shaking because I'm nervous.
Here we go.
When you were revving it before, trying to keep it running, it was blowing clouds of black smoke out the back.
Yeah, I knew.
It's running really rich. I mean, you could smell the fuel. I think that's an ongoing issue with this thing because the plugs were super sooty.
Yeah. I don't hear any clacking around, which is good.
No, I didn't really hear anything.
I feel like the inside of the engine's good, but man,
she's not happy about something.
She's not happy about something. We got Pro Tools set up. We're gonna log, monitor with some gauges. I'm gonna be kind of watching these AFRs just because I'm curious if like we got a bad O2 or something weird's going on, and
sure,
just see what happens.
8 pounds of boost? No. That's probably why it's dumping so much fuel. It thinks it's making boost.
Yeah. So it's probably a boost sensor.
Yeah, it must be thinking it's making 8 pounds of boost, so it's trying to shove the fuel in.
Yeah, let me pull the codes and see now what it says. Boost pressure sensor.
Yeah, which might be just that T-map sensor.
Misfire cylinder 2. Fuel supply control valve. I think we could start with the boost sensor.
Yep.
Oh, Jesus. Uh-oh. What'd you do? Why would that do that, dude?
Man.
We're gonna have to duct tape that or something.
Well, she's gonna have a boost leak.
There's no way I can get at that sensor on this side without removing it. Can you push down on this cord to try to crack it?
Come on, man.
I mean, we already broke it, so.
Yeah, it is what it is.
Then we wrap things up with this professional painter's tape charge pipe repair job. Normal.
Yeah.
What?
The AFRs are doing what they're supposed to this time.
Yeah.
That's why, though. Like, what the hell?
It's running smooth.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's take it for a ride.
It still says it's in limp mode, but
seems fine.
Before we take this thing for a ride, we had to bleed the brakes because for whatever reason, when we got this car, the brake pedal would just go all the way to the floor.
Oh no! Dude, I was worried about that, I'm not gonna lie.
Whoa.
That big old guy. Where you going? See, there's air. Oh yeah, spitting and bubbling? Yeah. Last night. I mean, feels like a brake pedal. Good. Start it. Let's see how it feels.
Woo! Interesting.
Yeah, I don't know.
I don't know if she's gonna like make it around town. She's still in heavy limp mode. And last but not least, we replaced the broken charge pipe with a good one that I had laying around. What do you think?
I think we're gonna get stranded.
No, I hope not. I hope not.
I mean, it's fired up every time for us. Now that we've got it running, it actually does run pretty good and consistent, so I don't think we'll have an issue there.
You worried about the trans or what?
I'm just worried about everything.
Well, we're gonna find out.
Yeah, we sure are.
Here goes nothing.
I see you got a fault for the trans now, huh?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Stinky.
It'd go in reverse and then it'd just kick out as if, you know, like a clutch was slipping in a manual.
Sure. See if you can pull that error code and see what it's saying.
Ratio monitoring, clutch BD. Check fluid level.
Okay, you might have to pull it forward a little bit. Or we can try pushing it, I guess.
A lot better with some air in the tires, huh?
Yeah.
We're good.
Okay.
Well, it's been a long day, but at least we were able to get this thing fired up under its own power now. But of course, the transmission's given us some issues. So we're gonna actually go ahead, head back to Walmart, get some more fluid, and try to get this thing running and driving. But I'm gonna cut this video here. I'm gonna get this video out for you guys and hopefully follow it up with another video where we actually can get this thing running and driving. That's my hope, because I really, really wanna save this thing from the junkyard after it sat there with only 11,000 miles. This has just been such a cool series. If you're enjoying this series, please drop a comment down below. I'm actually gonna do another $50 giveaway to a random person who comments. It could be you. I'm gonna PayPal, Zelle, Cash App, Venmo. I'm gonna send you 50 bucks. Anywho, we gotta get going to Walmart, so subscribe. That way you won't miss the next video, and we'll see you then. Peace.